we're going to do a little night flying, see what these babies look like. Let's take up the colorful elf, they call it. Alrighty. They do look pretty. Alright, she's all calibrated. The one button takeoff. Oh, pretty. I don't think you guys seen any of it. But when I drive this thing into the light, you'll see the blinking stops. Notice that? No blinking. Try that again. Turn her around. Green for forward. See the lights? Isn't that cool? It's a good flyer. A lot of fun. Alright, let's bring her home. Not bad. So that was fun. Alright. Next one up. KY-102. Oh, we'll see how this baby works. No. Alright, we calibrated her. She's got a one thing take off too. A switch, not a thing, but let's see if this does anything fancy. It does do that, huh? How to tell what's green and red. The lights are a little dim on it. So it's hard to tell. Try to get her over here. Orientation's wicked bad, because you can't tell what's green and what's not. It's like the blue overtakes all the colors. I like the blinky. That's cool. When you come into the light, it stops. It's the same. Not a good flyer for night, but I know it flies well. I flew this thing. It's just hard to tell. You see, you can't even see the green. Maybe if you get her up higher. Is that what it is? Yeah, I gotta get her up high. And still, I don't know if you can see that. But they're steady. My gosh, they fly beautiful. I'm impressed for the price. I mean, come on. These things, this is like totally awesome. They look cool at night though. Yeah, that's what you have to do. You have to get up there high to see them light. So let's bring this baby back and call it a night. Got a lot of flying today. Down she comes. Not bad, guys. Oh, and this was also taken with the new H-Cam 10.